Hi, my name is Hillary Smith. I'm a Master's of Public Health student with the Colorado School of Public Health at Colorado State University. And today I want to talk to you about why it's important to develop a local heat-stabilized rice bran product for maternal and child consumption in West Africa. Rice is a global staple food as half of humanity consumes rice and more than 1 billion people globally depend on it for their livelihood. Rice bran is the bran of the rice that's removed during the rice milling process, and it is it has nutrient-dense qualities such as B and E vitamins, phytochemicals, prebiotics, and healthy fats. It is currently an agricultural byproduct and is wasted or used as an animal feed in regions where malnutrition and diarrhea contribute to high rates of child mortality. Existing evidence from our lab supports the gut health properties and reduced diarrhea, as well as the nutrient-dense qualities of rice bran. Civil conflict, food insecurity, and poor water quality have contributed to high rates of child malnutrition and diarrhea in the Sahel region of West Africa. The development of a local heat-stabilized rice bran product from rice-producing communities, such as the Dioro community in Mali, will prevent and control infectious diarrhea, malabsorption of nutrients, and ultimately child growth stunting. Rice bran is a culturally accepted, sustainable solution to mitigate maternal and child mortality. Sustainable production processes will include local farmers, healthcare workers, and community members that will ensure the successful implementation of rice bran as a food product. This low-cost, practical solution will also integrate agriculture, health systems infrastructure, and social entrepreneurship. Randomized controlled trials that have been conducted with rice bran in infants, children, and adults have established the gut health properties and the reduction in gut permeability, but has also determined the safety of human consumption of rice bran. We have also established that communities in West Africa through these trials are ready to utilize rice bran as a human product, and we have procured rice milling operations in West Africa. A direct outcome of rice bran product development will be increasing the accessibility of rice bran for human consumption. The increase in the accessibility, we determine, will also decrease disease burden based on the positive health benefits that we've already discussed that rice bran has. We ultimately anticipate seeing a paradigm shift in the rural-urban food industry that will align with public health nutrition interest and local government ministries. Dr. Elizabeth Ryan leads product development of rice bran along with public health students and agriculture and biomedical students. She's also in collaboration with Dr. Usman Koita in Mali, West Africa, and also has connections to other nonprofit organizations and rice milling operations in West Africa. Rice bran study was funded by the National Institutes of Health and the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. A current award from the National Institute of Food and Agriculture is being utilized to identify biomarkers of rice bran intake, which will allow for the continuous monitoring of health outcomes and consumption that are associated with and consumption of rice bran. African rice bran is currently in the product development stage for community-based implementation and dissemination to improve maternal and child health. Your support for the development of an African-sourced heat-stabilized rice bran product will connect scientific research and community health engagement to ultimately encourage economic development as a sustainable measure for rural wealth in Africa.